Thiago here, welcome back, or welcome. If that's the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings for cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around with your friends. With this said, let's start the review of the Soundpeats Capsule3 Pro. Another budget price earbuds from Soundpeats with LDAC and high-res audio. I'm going to tell you all about this in the next few minutes, so please stay tuned. Let's start with the price. The Soundpeats Capsule3 Pro has a price tag of £62.99 in UK. At the moment of this recording, there is a voucher going of 20% on Amazon. In the US, the price tag is $69.99. There's also a coupon of 20% going on Amazon US. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. Soundpeats have been very consistent with their case design, having almost the same design for all their products. The Capsule3 Pro has the standard plastic design build, simple with no fancy design around it. At the front, you have one LED for battery indication. At the back, the Soundpeats branding on this bronze color, adding a premium touch to the case. At the bottom, a Type-C port and a button for you to check the battery percentage and to reset the earbuds. The lid opens nice and solid and has a nice hinge to keep the lid open on all positions. Inside you have the earbuds. When you pull them out, you will see that they will have the same bronze design all around the stem, with the Soundpeats logo at the top. Great design. The earbuds have the same AirPods Pro style ear tips. We are going to get pretty good battery life with the Capsule3 Pro, but this will vary based on the codec and volume you are using. So, on a general level, with the SBC codec and ANC on, you will get an impressive 8 hours of battery life with 44 additional hours with the case. There is no indication of battery life for the other codecs with ANC on, so this is what I'm getting. With ANC on and the SBC codec, I'm getting around 7 hours of playback time with 38 hours with the case. And with LDAC codec and ANC off, you will get around 6 hours and 30 hours with the case. And with LDAC and ANC on, you will get 4 hours and 22 additional hours with the case. There is no fast charging, so it takes about 1.5 hours to charge the buds, and 2 hours for the case. The Capsule3 Pro comes with a Bluetooth 5.3 chipset with support for only SBC codec and LDAC codec for high-res wireless audio, so there is no AAC there for the iPhone. I have tested with the iPhone and Android, and I must admit, I prefer the Android. These earbuds are IPX4 waterproof rated, pretty standard for the ANC earbuds, so sweating and water splashes are okay. These earbuds also support left and right playback seamlessly, so you can use either side on its own. These earbuds also have high-res audio wireless certified with the LDAC codec. And to finish this section of the video, these earbuds don't support multi-point connectivity. The Soundpeats app. Nothing new here. You will get the left and right earbuds with a percentage on top. Going to the first tab, you have the volume on top. Still don't understand why. Next, the EQ presets from Soundpeats and also the custom EQ. Below that, the different ANC modes or transparency mode. After that, the gaming mode switch. And the last one, the single touch control. You can also update the earbuds. A simple app that works okay. I think Soundpeats should invest a bit more time on this app. The Capsule3 Pro is one of the best ANC releases, together with the new launches of the Upper series, as well as the Mini Pro HS that I will review soon. Stay tuned. You can have a better seal and fit with this type of earbuds. You will naturally get a better seal from a stem style earbuds. So the Capsule3 Pro with Rode and cabin noise testers does great and will eliminate loud low humming noises to almost non-existent if you play music in the background. It's very impressive. On the noise cafe, the Capsule3 Pro managed to lower the volume, but you you can still quite hear the people talking. The transparency mode gives you a very subtle amplification of your environment. I would say that the Capsule 3 Pro has an ANC performance of 8.5 out of 10. The Capsule 3 Pro does have a warmer tone. Playing using the LDAC on Android gives it a clear output. However, with the Apple, it sounds a bit muffled. The bass performance with these earbuds is good and gives you a nice bass performance. With the mid-tones, you will see some recess in the vocals, and you will see that the mid-range is not the star of the show with the Capsule 3 Pro using LDAC codec. The highs are okay. These earbuds are tuned to be a bit warmer sounding earbuds. With this said, although the sound is a bit warmer, they still have a great sound quality. Next, the usual mic sound quality, inside and outside. Right guys, so this is the sound of the Soundpeats Capsule 3 Pro inside of the house. It's quiet here, so this is how they will sound if you take a phone call. Let's go outside and do the same test outside. Right guys, so this is the sound of the Soundpeats Capsule 3 Pro. We are outside. It's a little bit windy, not that much. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about this sound. Any good? Are the mics any good? We're gonna go inside and carry on with the review. In terms of latency, the gaming mode does have a very minimal bit of lag. And in most real-time situations, games like PUBG feels fine to play. YouTube and Netflix have no lag at all. The controls on the Capsule 3 Pro are pretty complete, but again, we are missing the backwards feature, since this is an ANC earbuds. Apart from the more warmer tuning that Soundpeats did for the Capsule 3 Pro, in my opinion, the overall offering is still pretty strong with the Capsule 3 Pro. Sound signature mainly depends on your taste for audio. So, overall, the Capsule 3 Pro is one of the best in the stem cell ANC world. And that's it guys, this was our review on the Soundpeats Capsule 3 Pro. If you found any value in this review, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing now. With this said, Thiago here wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.